YourPedia and this is Shikha. So friends, many of you guys are already shortlisted for Coaching Shipyard Limited interviews for executive trainee, right? So my this video is particularly to give you some relevant information related to your interviews which are already going on, and it has been already started from 3rd of July, right? So guys, there are 3-4 things in the selection process of CSL, that is group discussion plus group task, basically the blend of both, then PI personal interview, and then essay writing is also there. Essay writing consists of 2 types of essay writing, that is generic essay writing and technical essay writing, for which we are also guiding you. Then apart from that, the PI personal interview, technical plus HR both, we are making you prepare for that too. Then it comes to the CSL GD plus GT, basically the combination of both. Now I would like to shed some light on this particular thing basically today. Now previously what happened, the CSL used to conduct GD in the form of jumbled sentences, right? The last year they have conducted the GD, like they have given a topic and on which they have given 10 pointers that were all shuffled, and we have to arrange them in a meaningful order as per the structure: intro, then main pointers, basically main statements, and then conclusion part. Now this time from 3rd July onwards, the interviews have been started and students have informed, we have got the feedback from the students itself, ki ma'am, what CSL is doing basically, they are giving us a task, kind of a scene for discussion, and they are assigning the roles basically in which we have to discuss our pointers basically. So I'll be going to discuss in detail about the same, right? So let me tell you what is the new in this GD format of this, you can say the CSL. Now this time CSL role based GD case study is given here. There are 2 things are written where GD and case study means 2 things. Group discussion means discussion in group, and of course the case study means kind of a situation related to infrastructure and projects and all these things. Okay? Now this is the GD format basically. Okay? There will be 6 members in each group. 6 members in each group, right? 2 to 3 minutes for the reading the question. Okay? They will give you the 2 to 3 minutes to read the question. Then discussion time is 22 minutes almost. Then basically final conclusion time is 3 minutes. Almost your half an hour will go, 25 minutes will go in your discussion portion. Okay? And of course task, decide the technology pathway, short term goal and long term goal. Whatever the task is being presented to you, you need to majorly focus on the basically of discussion of short term goals, means the short term solutions and the long term solutions. That is a major thing you need to work on. Now, see, let me just show you the, okay, this is a scene for discussion. Now, today the topic here is basically 2 green harbor tugs, basically. This is the scene for discussion, right? Basically, it is, you can say the, can India make green ships? Can India make green tugs? This is the GD topic. Now, they have you can say converted this GD topic in the GT, the group task, and this they have maintained the scene for the discussion, right? They have discussed all the things, that how we need to make 2 green you can say corridor, the green tugs basically, the green ships basically, and all the things they have discussed. What are the challenges in that? CSL must recommend whether the first project should use this battery electric tugs, hybrid electric tugs, all the things is given to you. You need to read it out basically. After that basically this role will be assigned to you. There will be 6 members in each group. 1 member may assign the role of technical officer, other member may a member may assign the role of logistic officer, 3rd member may assign the role of HR officer, something like that. Means there will be 6 roles in the CSL GD and you need to perform accordingly. Okay? After reading the scene for the discussion and everything, there will be some question also you need to address in the discussion. The task, then these questions, and of course you will be given these roles. On the basis of that you need to discuss the, you can say your this GDGT basically. These are the questions. Which proportion option should CSL recommend for the first 2 things, right? How can the port reduce emission? What should be the short term goal? What should be the long term goal? Now these 2 questions are there on which you have to focus more related to each and every GDGT topic. Now what kind of topics they are given basically? They are giving related to building of a green ships. They are giving that what kind of the green corridor we need to make. They are more of giving the project based infrastructure topics related to GDGT as a blend, and they are assigning you role and then they are asking for your opinions on that particular topic. So this is how CSL is conducting the new GD/GT in the final interviews. Interviews held on 3rd July. 6th July, we have got the feedback from the students, and even one more feedback I would like to share in this video. Basically, now what they are doing is, suddenly the student came 9 basically. So they have given a generic GD to them, related to electric vehicle or something, I think net zero basically. So all together the 9 people have discussed that topic in a generic manner. And after that, they have also provided the long term goals in that, and short term goals are also there. So there is no role assigned in that. Means there is a various types of GDs being conducted in CSL this time. Means anything can happen. So now you need to study and you need to practice in all the 3 parts. You need to practice for the jumbled sentences as well. You need to practice for the generic GD as well, and you also need to practice for the, you can say, role based GD/GT as well. Okay. So yes, YourPedia is the most authentic platform which is making you prepare and mentoring you for different kind of organization, different kind of, you can say, PSUs, for different kind of interviews. PI, the personal interview, it will consist of your HR and technical, of course, 70-30, or you can say 50-50, 60-40 as per. Now it is varying from student to student, it is varying from venue to venue. So make sure guys, you are taking all these practice sessions with YourPedia in the live sessions of the mentors, where we are guiding you about the different formats of GD, where we are making you prepare for the writing sessions also, how to write an essay in a generic form, how to write an essay in the technical form. So this is all about the new format of GD of CSL Coaching Shipyard Limited, and if you also want to prepare, be in touch with YourPedia. Looking forward to mentor you out in the live session. Good luck guys.